The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas Police Department. Citizens of Dallas County, lock all your doors and windows. At approximately 11:14 a.m. Central Standard Time, an unidentified man barricaded himself in the Perot Museum of Nature and Science in Victory Park and took an unknown number of hostages. It is unknown at this time what this man's motive is, but he is reported to be armed and dangerous. It is recommended that all persons in Dallas County stay indoors and stay away from doors and windows. You are watching WFAA TV. Please stay tuned for further info.
Civil danger for Dallas County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas Police Department and the Dallas County Sheriff's Office. The unidentified man who is currently holding at least 34 people hostage at the Perot Museum of Nature and Science has been identified as Peter Anderson, age 33, date of birth October 12th, with white skin, brown hair, and blue eyes. Peter was last seen wearing black cargo pants, red sneakers, a brown trench coat, and a Milwaukee Brewers baseball cap. He has also been found to be in possession of 2 firearms and at least 3 PVC pipe bombs. Peter is threatening to detonate the bombs if his demands are not met. This is an extremely dangerous situation that could result in mass casualties. It is now ordered for all persons in Dallas County to shelter in place. Lock all doors and windows, close all fireplace dampers, and turn off all lights in the place you are currently in. You are watching WFAA TV, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We will continue to bring news and information to the public in the DFW area. If you are not in this local area, please tune into a station providing news and information for your local area.
Civil danger for Dallas County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas County Sheriff's Office and the Dallas Office of Emergency Management. This is an update to the previous civil danger warning which was issued 12 minutes ago. SWAT teams have arrived at the Perot Museum of Nature and Science, as well as bomb squad units. All negotiations thus far have failed, resulting in the death of 4 officers who attempted to negotiate Peter into letting the hostages free. SWAT teams will now attempt to apprehend Peter, but there is no guaranteed chance that he will be taken into custody. The shelter-in-place order remains in effect until further notice. All persons in Dallas County need to shelter in place until the order is terminated. Anyone living within 25 miles of the Perot Museum of Nature and Science need to seek a sturdy shelter that will protect you against explosions and debris. Please keep a battery-powered radio with you to keep you up to date on any statements or warnings. You are watching WFAA TV, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We will continue to bring news and information to the public in this local area. If you are not in this local area, please tune into a station providing news and information for your local area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas Police Department and the Dallas Office of Emergency Management. The Perot Museum of Nature and Science has been destroyed. All 3 PVC pipe bombs have been detonated, resulting in the collapse of the building. In addition, several buildings in and around the museum have been damaged. This explosion has resulted in the deaths of all 34 hostages, and at least 17 SWAT and police officers. At least 50 others have been injured by the blast. Peter has escaped the explosion, and is now on a high-speed pursuit on Interstate 35 East. For this reason, all traffic on the interstate is temporarily halted until this situation ends. National Guard units will arrive shortly, and restore order, and look for survivors. The shelter-in-place order still remains in effect until further notice, and has been extended into Denton County, as Peter's route is northward up I-35 East. Please continue to monitor news and media outlets for the latest updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas County Sheriff's Office and the Dallas Office of Emergency Management. The shelter-in-place order has been terminated. Peter Anderson has crashed his car on I-35 East and has been killed. There is no longer any threat to life or property. At least 59 people have been murdered as a result of the bomb blast or the collapse at the Perot Museum of Nature and Science, with at least 70 or more people injured. National Guard units are currently en route to the scene, and will begin a search and rescue operation to find any survivors. The governor of Texas will be making a statement on the air shortly. The former museum location is off limits to the public, and any person caught in the site will be apprehended and questioned. A mandatory curfew of 7 p.m. is now in effect until further notice. Anybody caught outside after 7 p.m. will be fined. To repeat, the shelter-in-place order has been terminated. A mandatory curfew of 7 p.m. is now in place until further notice.
If you are just tuning in, you are listening to WBAP News Talk Radio. The governor of Texas will be speaking on the air shortly, so don't touch that dial. And I'm just receiving word that the governor is now making his statement.
My fellow Texans, today is a day of mourning. At 11:36 a.m. today, a wicked murderer detonated 3 bombs at the Perot Museum in Dallas, which resulted in the death of 59 people. In addition, at least 80 people have been injured. The Perot Museum is no more. But we will not just let the former museum location go to waste. We will rebuild our museum, and the city of Dallas will come back stronger than ever. I want to give a big thank you to the brave law enforcement officers who risked their lives to try and stop the murderer. You will never be forgotten. That is all I have to say. May God bless Dallas, and may God bless the great state of Texas. Thank you very much.